Hi, I'm Barry from Birdwatch World. The footage you are seeing now was filmed just behind me here a couple of days ago. This is a species that I think is going to feature a lot on the Birdwatch World YouTube channel because I can't seem to go out without finding at least one of these birds. These are white-cheeked honeyeaters. These ones were making great use of a puddle back over there that is left behind from recent rain that we had. Now you can't see the puddle in the footage, it was just hidden from view, but you can see them jumping in and out of the hole and coming up wet and shaking themselves dry. They were even joined at one point by a Lewin's Honeyeater and also a Yellow-faced Honeyeater. And a minute ago they were actually at it again right behind me here. They're flying around everywhere, there's so many of them around here. Anyway, I will shut up now and let you enjoy the footage, but before I do, please subscribe to the channel for more videos of Australian birds and birds from all over the world. Also hit that like button because that feeds the YouTube algorithm and helps it to push my videos out to a wider audience. Thank you. I'll catch you in the next video.